All right, welcome back to another video. It's Andy here from bothways.org. I just wanted to go through crude oil and what's happened in the last couple of days. Excuse me, but most importantly, what happened yesterday, Friday. So, if you've been following the videos for a while now, you know that I've been tracking this wave 1-2 formation of the high. This decline, this crash that happened late last year, that was all on the cards, and the wave count that we were working with at the time expected it and called it, excuse me, pretty well. So we got that nice leg down, and I believe that leg down is just a wave one of a larger move down that we'll see over the next couple of years in crude oil. And you'll see that I have a target up below, down in the 20s, the 20 handle there. So this is not over by any stretch of the imagination. So I'm tracking a wave 4 high there, a long 4-year kind of correction and grind to the upside. That could either, it's a wave 4 or a wave B. It depends on how you want to label the larger pattern. But suffice to say that another leg down is due, and we got that started late last year with that initial crash off the high. So we've again corrected to the upside, and again the news got very positive over the last few weeks, and again the calls got very bullish, and to a kind of a contrarian like myself and like you, I'm sure if you're watching these videos, you probably noticed that as a pretty decent, let's say, canary in the coal mine, when you start seeing very bullish calls at the end of a very long trend upwards. Well, 3-month trend anyway. Still. Okay, so I think we've got a 1-2 pattern in place, and let's go down deeper into this decline off the high and see what may be happening. So this is a 4-hour chart. I think we've got maybe a flat correction going on here. 1, 2, 3 up in A, some sort of running flat wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up in wave C, and then Thursday, Friday, we gave back a nice percentage of that. You can see that price started floundering there over the last 10 days or so as we hit that 61% retracement. We did push higher, but I think that was just an extension within a fifth wave, and now we've broken down back below that shoulder again, that 63 kind of handle, pretty convincingly. Okay, so let's get into the hourly chart and we'll see what we need from here to kind of confirm what may be happening. Now the labeling may be moved up a degree or so. That doesn't really matter. Suffice to say, all I need is the pattern itself to kind of play out. So we've got a possible 1-2, and the action on Friday might have been an acceleration lower in wave 3. And maybe what we'd look for over the following few days trading is some sort of a sideways consolidation in wave 4, and then a final dip in wave 5. So 5 waves down, and a 3-wave correction after that. And that will be the signal in place. If you want to track this as we go through it, get over to bothways.org and we'll keep the nightly updates. Suffice to say, I think things are getting quite interesting for crude oil now, and the next week should prove fairly crucial for this short-term pattern. Okay, check out the website, check out the links below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Maybe we'll do an update on this next week again.